Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Sunrocker Shibuya kontra sa Sun-X Neo Phoenix 78-74. Top performer ng Sunrocker Shibuya si Josh Hawkinson sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Sun-N Neo Phoenix, David Nwaba 24 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Dinaig naman ng Fighting Eagles Nagoya ang Seahorses Mikawa 84-83. Top performer ng Fighting Eagles Nagoya si Aaron Henry sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Seahorses Mikawa, Davante Gardner 28 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Osaka Evesa kontra sa Yokohama V Corsairs 89-84. Top performer ng Osaka Evesa si Ray Parks Jr. sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Yokohama B Corsairs, Kiefer Ravena 9 points, 2 rebounds at 4 assists. Tinalo naman ng Utsunomiya Breaks ang Sendai 89ers 82-71. Top performer ng Utsunomiya Breaks si Isaac Photo sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Para naman sa natalong Sendai 89ers, Stanton Kidd 14 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Akita Northern Happinets ang Ibaraki Robots 61-46. Top performer ng Akita Northern Happinets si Yanis Morin sa likod ng kanyang 13 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Ibaraki Robots, Damilola Musako 8 points at 3 rebounds. Wagi naman ang Ganbak Green Thunders kontra sa Libanga Hokkaido 74-64. Top performer ng Ganbak Green Thunders si Trey Jones sa likod na kanyang 21 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Para naman sa natalong Libanga Hokkaido, Dwight Ramos 3 points, 1 rebound at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Chiba Jets ang Koshigaya Alpas 84-82. Nagtala si Yuta Watanabe ng 7 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block para pangunahan ang Chiba Jets. Para naman sa natalong Koshigaya Alpas, Kai Soto 17 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Panalo din ang Kyoto Hanaris kontra sa Shiga Lakes 93-82. Top performer ng Kyoto Hanaris si Charles Jackson sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 15 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 4 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Shiga Lakes, Brock Motom 22 points, 5 rebounds at 5 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Shaimin Susano Magic ang Saga Ballooners 85-55. Top performer ng Susano Magic si Cody Clark sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 11 rebounds at 6 assists. Para naman sa Saga Ballooners, Yoli Childs 11 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Tinalo naman ng Hiroshima Dragonflies ang Nagasaki Velka 88-82. Top performer ng Hiroshima Dragonflies si Kerry Blackshear sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Para naman sa natalong Nagasaki Velka, Eiji Edo 5 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Tinambakan din ng Albark Tokyo ang Nagoya Diamond Dolphins 86-69. Top performer ng Albark Tokyo si Sebastian Saez sa likod ng kanyang 24 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Nagoya Diamond Dolphins, Lok May 13 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Panalo naman ang Ryukyu Golden Kings kontra sa Kawasaki Brave Thunders 85-75. Top performer ng Ryukyu Golden Kings si Victor Lo sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Kawasaki Brave Thunders, Roscoe Allen 15 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 12, 2024. Albark Tokyo 17 wins, 2 losses. Sun-N Neo Phoenix 15 wins, 4 losses. Utsunomiya Breaks 15 wins, 4 losses. Chiba Jets 15 wins, 4 losses. Shaimin Susano Magic 14 wins, 5 losses. Ryukyu Golden Kings 14 wins, 5 losses. Ganbak Green Thunders 13 wins, 6 losses. Seahorses Mikawa 13 wins, 6 losses. Sunrocker Shibuya 12 wins, 7 losses. Ang koponan ni Ray Parks Jr. na Osaka Evesa 11 wins, 8 losses. Akita Northern Happinets 11 wins 8 losses. Kyoto Hanaris 9 wins 10 losses. Nagoya Diamond Dolphins 8 wins 11 losses. Saga Ballooners 7 wins 12 losses. Ang koponan ni AJ Edo na Nagasaki Vilca 7 wins 12 losses. Ang koponan ni Kiefer Ravena na Yokohama B Corsairs 7 wins 12 losses. Hiroshima Dragonflies 7 wins 12 losses. Fighting Eagles Nagoya 7 wins 12 losses. Ang koponan ni Kai Soto na Kushigaya Alphas 6 wins 13 losses. Ang koponan ni Dwight Ramos na Livanga Hokkaido 6 wins 13 losses. Ibaraki Robots 5 wins 14 losses. Sendai 89ers 4 wins 15 losses. Ang koponan ni Mateo Wright na Kawasaki Brave Thunders 4 wins 15 losses. Shiga Lex 1 win 18 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 14, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Chiba Jets at Ganma Crane Thunders alauna 5 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Saga Ballooners at Hiroshima Dragonflies alauna 5 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Nagoya Diamond Dolphins at Yokohama B Corsairs alas 2:05 ng hapon. Maghaharap din ang Utsunomiya Breaks at Osaka Evisa alas 2:05 ng hapon. Kakaharapin naman ng Albark Tokyo ang Shaimin Susano Magic alas 2:05 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Sun and Neo Phoenix at Kushigaya Alphas alas 2:05 ng hapon. Magtutuos naman ang Kyoto Hanaris at Seahorses Mikawa alas 2:05 ng hapon. Magtutuos din ang Ryukyu Golden Kings at Akita Northern Happinets alas 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Ibaraki Robots at Sendai 89ers alas 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Nagasaki Vilca at Shiga Lex alas 3:05 ng hapon. Magharap naman ang Sunrocker Shibuya at Fighting Eagles Nagoya alas 4:05 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Kawasaki Brave Thunders at Livanga Hokkaido alas 5:05 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.